health is definitely a high priority for me to make sure I implement my own self-care because I need to be the best version of myself before helping other people. And I'm glad I have that background in the health space because I could cook for myself, I could meal prep for myself. I could do all that stuff to myself and make sure I'm giving myself goodness so that during the week I could be the best version of myself to help my clients, my prospects, my networking partners, and just be very sharp in what I do. And that's the goal, and after I decided to leave and not do the health thing anymore, I told my networking partners, and some of them were like, "Yeah, I mean, I'm not surprised. Like, you're really good at CRMs anyway." So, it basically took somebody outside of myself to recognize that, hey, you're pretty good at this. But then I was kind of like held back, like, I don't know, like I don't know if I want to do this type of work, but I'm glad that that particular person, my first client, brought me to do it again because it renewed my enjoyment for technology.